When we looked at the market, we were tired of generic, mass-produced off-road lights. So, our studio decided to build our own. We wanted to completely reshape how you experience the night. Introducing the Weisen 3-tier Sequential Pod series. Available in 3 distinct sizes. 1 precision engineering standard. Designed from the ground up to give your rig a fiercely aggressive, custom front end with 0 compromises in build quality. We know you hate wiring nightmares. That is why this system integrates seamlessly with your factory setup. A true 100% bolt-on installation. Our plug-and-play DT harnesses mean absolutely 0 wire splicing. Out on the trail, standard white light just reflects back and blinds you in a heavy storm. With 6 dynamic modes, our custom-tuned 1700 Kelvin amber beam slices straight through the thickest dust and fog, giving you total command of the terrain. Stop settling for average. Equip your vehicle with premium studio-grade lighting. Click the link below to shop directly from the creators right now.